Hello from Cycling Ireland. My name is Tina.
My name is Ray.
We're here with the introduction to bike maintenance. We have put together some videos to help you maintain and look after your own bikes. These resources can be used frequently to pause, replay, and watch over again when you need to. Some of the topics included in these videos are how to maintain your chain, how to remove and reinstall your wheel, how to replace an inner tube, how to adjust your saddle height to suit you, how to remove and install your bike pedals, and how to clean your bike.
Basic tools are needed to carry out these maintenance tasks. We hope you enjoy the videos and resources provided. Best of luck.